just adjust the camera. Alright, that should be good. I hope you guys get a good angle. You guys can see. It's not as ripping as my last video. Alright. Oh, what the heck, bro? You just hear that guy honk at me? What is he doing? Why did he honk at me? Face typical over there. I meant face typic. We're gonna wait for him. Here he comes. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm not gonna be really doing anything on this video. Just riding and maybe talking to you. Second. My bad, this is a bad angle. Sorry. So, how's your day been? Nice. Yep. No! You did that? Today or yesterday? Or the day after? Probably not watching this the day it came out. I'm not very popular YouTuber yet. All I want is 50 subs, then I can stream, and I'll be a full-time streamer for you guys. I'll do whatever you comment. It's getting a little bit rainy. We're so close to riding though. Alright, yeah, let's just go. You ready? Yeah. I don't want to get in trouble. Alright, whatever, just go. Go. Turn around. Come on. It's raining. Alright guys, we gotta go.